I have a makeup collab with SHEIN Cosmetics, and it launched today on Black Friday, and it's a nice little bundle. So I'm gonna just show you. This is the palette, and it's Viva Vamp times SHEIN Cosmetics Goth Queen. I place the first vampire, Thirst, Sharp Fangs, Kisses and Bites, and Forever Mine.
Hey gorgeous ghouls and beautiful pretties. I just want to take a moment to thank Diamond Allure, the owner and CEO of SHEIN Cosmetics. I've been a SHEIN baddie for quite some time working with her brand. She's a wonderful person and really kind and generous, and I'm so grateful she made a dream come true for me. I can't thank you enough, Diamond. I appreciate you, and I look forward to working with you more in the future. So I just wanted to say thank you, girl. I love you.